You know, some of us,
Oh my gosh.
we live just under the buildings. So actually, yeah. Some of us dream to go up there, yeah.
No, we still have the walking path.
Like, live there somehow. Be stable and stuff. But what's the fun in that? Yeah. Life is about struggle and stories.
Stories?
Yeah, with your friends. So you find enjoyment in it. Not about like being comfortable, you know. It's about being uncomfortable and living through it.
What is that?
The more you live like that, the more you grow. What I'm trying to say is, purpose of life is not about staying where you want when you want.
I'm cool.
It's about going out there and being what you really want.
Touch on your Mikey now to ensure you.
That makes sense?
You go first. You go first. Why he's so serious? Hey, hey, hey.